Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I've got the Insignia dock kit here for the Nintendo Switch. I've been thinking about getting this for a while and I finally decided to get one. So let's go ahead and open it up. First off, right here, we've got the included HDMI cable. Next, just everything's gonna come out now. All right, so nothing left in the box. All of the unimportant paperwork. Also in Espanol. Here's the actual brick, so we'll use that to power it and to charge the Switch and everything. Here's the dock itself. Wow, this is really nice. It's definitely plasticky, but it's got a good weight to it, so it feels nice. We've got our little light here, and then we've got the USB-C for the Switch. And then the little fan ports as well, so it can suck in air to cool down the Switch. USB adapter, HDMI, and then just the power port. Some nice little rubber feet on the bottom here to give it a good grip. First impression is that it's very nice. Very well made. Feels high quality for sure. Alright, now onto the power brick. This is bigger than the original Nintendo one. Let me grab that for size comparison. Okay, so here's the original Nintendo charging brick. Side by side there. Do it this way also. So they're about the same height, just the Nintendo one is a little bit taller, but the Insignia one is definitely much wider. And then it looks like it's a very nice long cable. There's the USB-C on the other end. Alright, now let's take my Switch, which is kind of dusty and it's got fingerprints and stuff all over it. So it's different than the normal Switch, whereas you kind of have to be more accurate in your placement. I mean, it'll still kind of fall right in, but it's like, if you just set it down, it's obviously not plugged in. But once it's in there, it's solid. Lifts up the entire dock when you try and take it out. So it's not, whereas with the original Nintendo dock, you can kind of see in there that it's like a little spring plate down in there. So it'll go nicely in, and then it just comes right out. Because of that little spring plate. But, for half the price of buying another one of these, it's not that big of a deal. I'm hoping that this won't brick my Switch. I bought my Switch, just last year, so it was obviously a while after they first came out. So I didn't really know about the whole Switch bricking thing. And I'm hoping it's all been, taken care of. But, I've seen other videos and read stuff that says that this is the most unlikely dock, other than the official one, to brick your Switch. And I also have a friend who works at Best Buy who told me that they recommend it. Well, that might be a little biased, but that they recommend it and that it's been fine for their Switch. Okay, so I'm using the included Insignia brick. So let's plug that in. So it probably works like the normal dock. Get that on. Yep, and there's a light on. So when it's unplugged, there's no light. Plugged in, there's a light. Oh, and we can see that it's charging. Plug in an HDMI here. I'm not going to use the official or the Insignia HDMI that comes with it, just so I don't have to worry about unwrapping it and plugging that into my TV and everything. Alright, well, it's pulling up on the TV. It's looking really good. Nothing's looking different. Let's get some gameplay footage through the dock. One thing that I'm realizing as I'm setting up my capture card for this is that I like the fact that the ports are more easily accessible. You don't have to flip open the dock door or anything. Well, it says it's recording. Let's just do a quick Smash Bros, shall we? Hopefully I don't get in trouble with Nintendo or anything. Nobody report me, please. All right, here we go. Smash Bros. I've got a camera and the Switch and a microphone and everything in the way of me seeing the TV. And so I'm going to use that as my excuse. If I lose, that is. Alright guys, welcome to my gameplay channel. Who should we go for today? I think we'll go for Robin. Alright, Robin. Okay, here we go. And just a random CPU. Should we up the level? Nah, we're good. We'll just keep it at 3. Okay, did the CPU levels actually increase their difficulty against you? Because it's I mean they do, but it's like they don't do much. Because feels like it's easier to get beat by a level 1 than it is to get beat by a level 9. I don't know, maybe it's just a whole psychological thing. Alright, here we go. I will get him now. Okay, we got him. That'll be good enough. You know, we don't have to see any more. Don't have to risk me looking worse than that. So, honestly, this Switch Dock, I mean, the picture's great, you know, it's not different than the original, and it's got a nice little green light, and I don't know, there's nothing really bad about it, you know. I could put in the controllers, cable management, you know, it's not gonna be perfect, but you could use a zip tie or something to keep it more perfect together. My Switch hasn't bricked yet from 5 minutes of use or whatever that was, so I think we're good. I definitely recommend it. I've been thinking about it for quite a while, and I decided to get one just because I'm lazy. I don't want to have to move, because I only have the one dock, but now I have this second one, and I had to move the one to my room just so that I could use it on a bigger screen than just the Switch. So it's a good deal.